How to fix Gemini error 1076 something went wrong. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply try to start a new chat, as if the error appears in one conversation only, then the chat may be stuck or have corrupted sessions. So you can simply tap on the new chat option you see there on the top left of your screen and you will be led to your new chat. You can then go ahead and enter your prompt again, and this might help you in fixing the error. If not, then you can simply try to refresh the page by tapping on the reload this page icon on the top left again, or you can also simply close the browser and then reopen Gemini and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then you can simply toggle on the toggle button for turn on temporary chat option you see there and try using it in a temporary chat and see if that helps. If not, then you can return to your normal chat and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for a new incognito window. So tap on it and open incognito or private window and then sign in with your Google Gemini account, and if Gemini works there, then it simply could be a browser extension, cached data, or cookie, which is likely causing the problem. Additionally, you can also tap on the three dots again and then tap on the settings option you see there. Here, go ahead and tap on the privacy and security option you see there and then tap on the delete browsing data option. Further, go ahead and select all these checkboxes and then tap on the delete data option, and you may need to sign into your Google account again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then go ahead and open the extensions tab you see there and delete unnecessary extensions from your device and see if that helps in clearing this problem. If not, then just in case if you have multiple accounts for Google, then you can simply tap on your profile icon on the top right and switch between your accounts and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. So switch between your account and then open Google Gemini there and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. And if not, then you can try using a different Gemini model. So if the error happens with one model, switch to another model and try the same prompt again, and you can also test a different Gemini feature to determine whether the problem is limited to one tool or conversation. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also switch between networks and see if that helps. And just in case if you are using Gemini in your mobile, then make sure that the Gemini application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the Gemini app. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can also simply send a feedback to Gemini regarding the issue that you are facing, and Google Gemini will further help you in fixing your issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Gemini error 1076 something went wrong. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.